In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to send custom text messages to a large number of people from your browser with zero code. You can tailor each message automatically to every single contact. You can start without adding your credit card. We will be using TextLink SMS Marketplace to do this. Let's get started. Once you register, navigate to BULK SMS section of the website and go to Dashboard. Here you can see an overview of how to use this tool. Now you will want to click Create New Campaign button. This will lead you to the campaign creation page. You will give your campaign a name and create a new user group. We will import some test data to show how simple this is. All you need is an Excel table like this. You can also add, remove, and change things manually. You can send up to 3,000 messages in one campaign. Note that the only mandatory column is phone number, and you should name it with an underscore in between words, phone and number, like shown on screen. Now that user group is ready, you will want to create how the message will look like. In the bottom, we show you the example of the message you are going to send. Based on your user group, you will have different attributes available. Since I only have name, surname, and code, those are the only ones I can see and use in building my messages. I can combine them however I like and make a completely unique message for each of my contacts. This allows you to never sound repetitive through your messages and to make your customers feel special, a dream for every marketer and biz owner. You can check the price of your campaign at any time by clicking the Calculate button. Once you are satisfied with your message, you are ready to start your campaign. Regarding payment option, once you want to send more messages, you've got two options. First one is really simple. Just purchase credits and you will send those messages through our providers. The second one is to set up your own device and connect it to our service. This one is best if you have an Android phone in the country you want to send messages to. You can see the full process for that on the video above, and we'll also leave the link to it in the description. The best thing about this is that messages cost about 1/100th of a cent. You choose which one best suits your needs. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, contact us via links in the description. Until next time.